Yes, thank you, Kochi, for a wonderful evening here in the 2020 Cookies Celebrity Cricket League 2016. Welcome to the post-match presentation. Many congratulations to Kerala Strikers for their outstanding victory by 6 wickets. Keeps Group B alive in this CCL. Now, the first order of things, I'll just announce the name of the super fan of the match. The CCL super fan of the match is B. Manoj from Bangalore. B. Manoj, many congratulations. Now, let me introduce the star-studded that I have alongside me. Right next to me, I have the privilege of being joined by Padma Shri, Lieutenant Colonel Mohan Lal, the non-playing captain of Kerala Strikers. Alongside him also, we have Bala, the captain of the Kerala Strikers. We also have Mr. Rajkumar, co-owner of Kerala Strikers. Ms. Sri Priya Rajkumar, co-owner of Kerala Strikers. Jason, the co-owner of Kerala Strikers. Vishwa Karyappa, MD of Sand City. Mr. Ratish, who's distributor with Carbon Mobiles, and Mr. Mohammad Rafi, who's distributor with Carbon Mobiles. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The first individual award today is the Carbon Kamal Catch of the Match. And this will be presented by distributor Carbon Mobiles, Mr. Ratish, to Rajiv Pillai. Stunning catch that he pulled off, and I think he'll be kept busy through the evening with a few more of these awards. The next award is the Carbon Kamal 6 of the match, and this is to be presented by Mohammad Rafi, distributor of Carbon Mobiles, to the captain of the Karnataka Bulldozers, Sudeep. Sudeep, if we could also have a quick chat with you, please. Sudeep, at the change between innings, did you think that you had enough runs on the board, or did you think it was a little short?
No runs are enough on the board, till the match is over. And I think Kerala side, they have a fantastic batting lineup. And I think every batsman came in term with their batting on time. Everybody has contributed well, and I think Arjun came in the beginning and he made the innings very steady, definitely with Rajiv Pillai. And I guess Maddy and Benny came on strong in the bitter things. But of course, yes, a little bit of probably a sloppy side from our end as in bowling or something. But I guess the team of Kerala performed very well. I guess another 20-odd runs also would have been shortage itself as on today.
And you did have a thumping victory in your first match, but this now just puts a little bit of pressure in the last game. Going away to Telugu Warriors, a must-win encounter in a way.
I have come to finals 4 times in this season, and nothing is a pressure to me. I'll come back. Last time, actually, they had defeated us in the preliminary rounds, and we came back in the semi-finals. We will be back.
That's excellent, and all the best for the next match. The captain of the Karnataka Bulldozers, Sudeep. Now, the next individual award is the Boost Energetic Player of the Match, and this will be presented by Mr. Vishwa Karyappa, MD of Sand City, and this goes to Arjun Nandkumar.
Amazing game, which is our hometown. We don't have any excuse other than winning the match. So our boys played very well, and I think Bala can talk about that, okay?
Bala, I'm sure you would like to acknowledge the crowd as well, because they acted as the perfect 12th man for your team today.
I wish they're all, for every match they should be present, because today's victory, first I dedicate to the audience first. Thank you so much. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി കേട്ടോ. Thank you so much. അത് മാത്രമല്ല, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ശക്തി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ലാലേട്ടനാണ്. ഞങ്ങൾ next match, if you are winning, we are going to the semi-finals, then finals. ലാലേട്ടൻ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ജയിക്കും അല്ലേ?
So how much support can we expect for the Kerala Strikers in the next game in Hyderabad? Because that's a must-win situation, but you have the momentum with you against Chennai.
See, actually we had our first match, we were almost winning. But I should tell openly, we didn't have much of practice. We are all take artists, okay? And we had 6 days of session. In between the 6 days, my team proved. And today we are the most toughest team, Karnataka team. And again, 6 days time. So we are going to play Chennai. I think today what the strategy was, the whole team were thinking in one mind. It was the success. So if we play the same in the next match, oru manasodu nammal kalichal adutha match nammala jeikunadu. So
You played as a team, what one individual stood out, and he will be, of course, given with the Man of the Match award, and this will be a special presentation being given by the non-playing captain Mohan Lal himself. And this Man of the Match award goes to Rajiv Pillai. Rajiv, come across for a quick chat.
All energy in the world to do better every time I get onto the field. I feel it is a love which is given by the Keralites. എല്ലാ മലയാളികളും എനിക്ക് തരുന്ന സ്നേഹം, ഞങ്ങൾ കേരള സ്ട്രൈക്കേഴ്സിന് തരുന്ന സ്നേഹം ഇനിയും തന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കണം. നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം നന്ദി. Thank you.
You have a pre-ball routine. When you face up to every ball, you seem to be sort of having a direct connection with God. You seem to be muttering a few words. What is that about? Is that something you've always had?
Yeah, in fact, it is kind of getting into my rhythm. Getting back to the, in spite of the noise in the ground, you need to have concentrate on each and every ball. It's something which I have been following right from the time I started playing cricket, so I'm just carrying it on.
At any stage today in the chase, did you feel a little nervous maybe when you got out that it might just get a little out of hand?
No, I have impeccable confidence on Madan and Arun, so I felt it's going to be okay since we have crossed 100. We don't have to chase a huge total. It was 40 balls, 60 runs or something. And in this ground, when the outfield is this fast, I was sure that we are going to win.
Well, keep entertaining and congratulations for today's victory. Outstanding performance from you and the team.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that concludes the presentation as well as the Kochi leg of this Parlay 2020 Cookies Celebrity Cricket League 2016. Thanks for your company. It's goodbye from here.